Alrighty guys, today we're going to go over the pros and cons of gold. Alright, so first things first, let's just start off with the pros. So the first pro that I want to go over is the fact that gold is considered to be a way to hedge your account, meaning it is a way to protect yourself from when stocks fall, gold typically rises. This is because when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, a lot of people start buying up gold because it is a tangible thing and it is a form of currency that is accepted anywhere. You can exchange it for actual money wherever you go. The next pro that I want to talk about is that not only is it a good way to hedge your account, it is a good way to keep up with at least inflation and provide modest returns. This is because there is a finite amount of gold in this world, and because it's actually generally really hard to extract gold from the earth with the remaining few that there is left, it is always going to increase in value over a long period of time, just like land does. Since there's only so much land we can have, there is only so much gold we can have as well. And the third pro that I want to talk about is the fact that since there is a finite amount of gold and it's always increasing, and since it's considered a safe investment, since people will always be buying gold in times of uncertainty, it's a great way to start investing into the stock market by buying ETFs related to gold. It helps you get your foot in the door when practicing trading without having to worry about getting a stock that's super volatile. Now, moving on to the cons with gold, it moves very, very, very slowly. In an article by Investor Place, apparently gold only rose 1.2% in the year from 2012 to 2013. And if I'm being honest, seeing returns like that almost makes you feel like you're wasting your money by having it placed there, because you're not going to get rich off 1.2%. And I know a lot of people want the get rich quick method, and gold is definitely not the way to do that. However, every once in a while, just like stocks as well, there should be a spike, but it's still not going to be as great of an increase like, say, a tech stock that jumps up fourfold. With gold, you might get a 20% rise, and even that's pretty immaculate. And that's not even on the gold itself, that's usually generally on the ETF that deals with gold. Another major con with gold is the fact that in reality, it really should be worthless. There's very few applications for it that you can use commercially. And even the once great Warren Buffett said, gold gets dug out of the ground in Africa or someplace like that. Then we melt it down, dig another hole, bury it again, and people pay to stand around guarding it. It has no utility, and anyone watching from Mars would be scratching their head. This holds very true because we put such a prized position on gold that if one day we decided it wasn't a real currency that we wanted to use anymore, it would be almost worthless. Now, I don't personally believe that will ever happen, but just keep that in mind when you're investing into this. Another major con is the fact that since most people know that gold is a great way to hedge your account and all this other stuff like that, it's almost like you're falling into dogma. Well, not necessarily dogma, but you're just following the crowd, and it shouldn't be the main priority of your investment account in gold, because since everybody's doing it, not everybody's going to get rich off holding gold stocks. So those are the pros and cons I want to talk about today. Again, just to recap, I don't think the main focus of your account should be gold. I do believe everybody should own a little bit of gold. You know, you can attribute that to diversity and hedging your account and things like that. But again, I hope you guys liked the video. I love making these videos. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching.